You did. We got bro in the house. What up? Cooking with love and more. Y'all know to go check him out daily. Shit, he had to go live because they tell his ass he posted too many motherfucking shorts. Hey, max out every day, huh? Yes, sir. Put in that work. What do you say? The hustle's not in everybody. You see what I'm saying? But hey, I can tell you what you need to do if you want to listen. If you want to listen, come put in some work with the teams, right? That's why we call it the team, because hell, it ain't just me. Oh, you thought I was doing this solo? Yeah, I'm over here reviewing other people's content, because guess what? That also means when the homie say he got something he want me to review, I can just go ahead and review it with no problem. You see what I'm saying? Oh, you want me to review your content? I got you. I'll put you right there up on the big screen, just like any other video I'll review. Hell, that's called supporting the homies. Definitely, hell. Cause like fucking SOS was saying, hell, you gotta send out beatings because he ain't got time to test them all anyways. Here, you go ahead and run this and tell me how it went for you. Oh, okay. Well, shit. Send me some seeds. You know, I'll just sit here and make the videos that I was gonna make anyways. Because that's what we do. We make videos, and then I can make review videos. Because sometimes I feel like sitting on my ass smoking and talking shit. Because that's what we do. We do it all, baby. Okay, I could do a review style channel to where I'll be putting in work for myself anyways. But worst case scenario, you'll see a lot of videos which are informational and entertaining. So there you go. The ensemble is there. Talking to an A student. Talking to an A student. Put together a decent show. I got you. Boom. However long you want. You want 15 minutes? Got you on the 15-minute game. You see to say you want 30 minutes? My 30-minute game is cold. You see to say it's crucial. You see to say we got the sponsors throughout there too. You see to say they like, damn, he did consistent. Hey, shouts out to the sponsors because they be keeping it popping. Then you already know we got the 45-minute videos all day. Yeah, I paused on you. You see what I'm saying? Pause, no Didi, whatever the fuck you want to say in 2024. But we did that. We said, hold on, just hold up. Shit's happening right now. It got real. They did. They might do another Cat Williams interview on Club Shay Shay Part 2. Y'all know they was advertising that, right? So hell, I might have to tell them they owe me some ducats because I said something about it on the show too. Cat'll be like, "You right, popcorn. I appreciate the support. You've been doing a lot of clips and shit on me too, spreading the word. I appreciate that. You just like what you hear, so you letting other people know what you like. Probably, yeah. That's what type of progressive pimping I'm on. We promote. You dig? Hey, you out here kicking it? Let's tell everybody. We're gonna have everybody support you too. Maybe not. Shit happens. Some people ain't really liking you like that though, right? You never know. But anyways, we got this one more blunt to roll. And I'm gonna let y'all get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all live one time. It is Sunday morning for some of y'all. Y'all might want to go back to sleep. Popcorn, you got me up early as fuck, whatever time it was, because you was up, because I'll be up smoking. And which is, that's why we say we don't stop the hustle, because, I'm going to go live and hit record like I'm supposed to, right? Somebody got to do it. The good news is we actually had some good information, but that last video I forgot was Joe Rogan, so, big fault there on Lil Man, so I already know we can't do none of that, so shouts out to being copyright protected, I respect the hustle as long as I know. Yeah, hell. But sometimes you don't find out till you done already did a video. Now that's the part that sucks. You be like mid video, then the next thing you know, the whole thing gets shut down. That happened last week too. Whole video just got shut down right there, close to the end. I was only like 3 videos left. That's not close to the end. 3 videos were left. Shit, I was kicking it that day. But anyways, we got banned and blocked midstream. So that whole video disappeared, but the clips for it that weren't copyrighted at that point in time, that's what y'all got to see coming up. As far as clips, we got clips, 5-minute clips, videos.